we have a surprise. We actually know what's inside the silos. So stay tuned.
Do you think we can fit that in the toy hauler if we upgrade?
100%. Toy hauler, here we come.
I don't know how the glass will survive, but
We'll change it to plexiglass.
there we go. That's a great idea. This could be the toy box for the kids, right?
I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last. When tears streamed down my face, my mama said, all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mama said.
By the way, when you're at the Magnolia Cafe to get coffee, don't go into the main building. Go to the little kiosk outside. The line is so much shorter. Most of the time there isn't anyone, but the other line goes all the way out the door. Just a little tip.
And she means no line whatsoever. There has been no one right here going to it except maybe like one or two people. You go around the building, the line is down the sidewalk. It's hilarious. So, hidden tip.
I wish I could freeze this moment, just never let it end. Walking through the snow when you're taking my hand. All of those late nights on your couch when we just talked until midnight. I just wish I could freeze this moment, babe.
All right, so what'd you get?
I got 2 pepperoni pizzas. One is a regular flour crust, and we got the cauliflower. They
Nice.
look the same, don't they?
They look identical. Which one's which?
Oh, I don't know. You want to get in the photo booth with me?
Absolutely.
Just like my mama said. Gradually fades all the nights that end in heartbreak gonna pay off someday. And the pain that you're feeling gradually fades away. 'Cause growing up, falling in love, giving your all might not be enough. Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mama said.
Love it. You know what? If you guys in the area stop by, we're going to continue exploring Waco and we're going to have some fun.
Yes. So Sophia and I decided we're going to take on this car model that has 280 plus pieces that we bought today. And it is a lot of pieces. What do you think, Sophia?
The instructions are confusing, but I'm starting to figure it out a little bit.
That's awesome. We got one piece together.
Out of 280 pieces, I think that's a little bit.
I
Not
think
that
we can
much.
do this.
I believe, but
I believe in us.
next this, set that down to this.
And if you're wondering why our flowers are laying down, it's pretty windy today. So I guess they just wanted to take a nap.
All right, so next up on the honeydew list is putting the final stair carpet on. As you can see here, I put all the easy ones on, but the top one is just a little bit more cumbersome because it's got that little wall back here, that little metal wall. And I put these on actually in South Dakota because it was just simple to do and I was like, done. But I've been carrying this around for, I don't know, months, let's put it that way. procrastination is a real thing. So today I'm getting rid of this and putting it on where it needs to be. You can see here, these are easy because they just wrap around all the way around. But this one here has got that little lip right here. So I gotta feed it through somehow and get it to where it lines up.
So, getting any luck with a carpet?
Yeah, so basically when you unfold it, you've basically got two little holes here and then one up top. Use the one up top because of the wall, and just kind of tuck it in the middle, bend it down, and then basically we're not going to use the little springs that it comes with.
Oh, okay.
We're
They don't
actually gonna
reach,
use,
or?
Yeah, we're just going to use some string.
Okay.
And that way we can tie it underneath where we need to be, in through here, and be done. I'll kind of show you. You can see here, it's going to come around just like that,
Yeah.
but we can't fit that through.
Ah.
So basically, we're just going to use string and then tie it in.
Oh, that works.
That'll be it.
Well, I guess next time we need to do it a little bit earlier and do all of them at the same time, because now that one looks brand new and the rest change colors like drastically.
This is the man.
This is the same exact carpet. Wow.
The sun is not your friend when it
No.
comes to these things.
Wow.
All right, so as you can see, step is done. They are definitely different colors, but check. Another one off the list.
We got dually parking at the Magnolia Market in Waco. So we're super excited. This is one of my mom's bucket list items. She loves to watch the show on HDTV. So yeah, so we're here now. It's so that basically there are two silos and they have a little market right next to it. So we're super excited to explore. It's an adventure. Hopefully they've got plenty of food, because we're hungry.
Can
you say hi?
So we're here at downtown Waco, Texas at the Magnolia Market here at the silos, and it is fantastic.
It is so much bigger than we expected. We had no idea.
It's huge.
Yes.
You know, definitely worth coming. A couple of key tips. It's absolutely fantastic, but it's been found. So
Yes.
get here early, you'll find parking, everything's great. If you get here around lunchtime, the chaos ensues. Around 9 to 9:30 in the morning is a perfect time to find parking. And then shortly after 10, it is a very popular place.
What's super exciting about this place is they have a lot of spaces for the kids to play and run.
Yep.
They have a little baseball field. They have cornhole, all kinds of things you can just enjoy for free.
It's a full day family event is really what this place is.
Yeah.
The Magnolia Home Market,
Uh-huh.
it's absolutely fantastic just to walk through and kind of reminisce on all the different HGTV fixer-upper shows that you always see with Chip and Joanne. So, you know what? They did it right. It's really nice down here. It's definitely worth the trip. And we're glad that we came.
Yes, totally worth it. And we're enjoying this beautiful day.
Yep. We're going to explore some more.
We travel all over the country. As you know, we're always hungry. And by we, I mean me. So absolutely love all the variety of food trucks that they have here. How exciting. They have picnic tables outside. They've got pizza, Alabama sweet tea. That's definitely your least favorite. And no, they have such a big variety of different kinds of food. It's super awesome.
So Pam just said the magic word, Alabama sweet tea. I'm heading over to grab some, and then we're going to head over into the market. All right, so what'd you get?
I got 2 pepperoni pizzas. One is a regular flour crust, and we got the cauliflower.
Nice.
They look the same, don't they?
They look identical. Which one's which?
Oh, I don't know. All right.
So we have to say, as we're walking over here to the Magnolia home, we're just sitting here talking and we're like, there's so many people here. Getting here early is the tip. That is the tip. Make a day of it. Don't try to come in the afternoon. There's no parking.
Yeah, when we got here this morning, there was nobody in the parking lot. We did have to pay $10 for parking, but it's all day.
Yeah, all day, $10, dually parking right here, right behind the silos. And it's halfway in between the silos and the Dr. Pepper Museum.
Are you kidding me?
It's fantastic.
How awesome is that?
We're going nowhere fast.
Yes. I guess we can accessorize the RV.
That's absolutely going to happen.
Yes. Love all the flowers. So nice. That's light enough. That's a nice basket for some fruit. RV approved. Okay, if I could fit this in the RV, I really love that little pantry. I guess this is called a pantry. Whatever it is, it's beautiful. Do you think we can fit that in the toy hauler if we upgrade?
100%. Toy hauler, here we come.
I don't know how the glass will survive, but
We'll change it to plexiglass.
there we go. That's a great idea. This could be the toy box for the kids, right? Honey, I think we need to upgrade our suitcases.
This place was fantastic, but I have to say, to incorporate anything in there, I would have to have like a barn dominium and just this wide open floor plan of just epic space, just
Yeah.
a spacious layout, because you go in here and you're like, I want it all. But there's no house big enough for any of these tables or chairs or couches. It's fantastic.
Yeah.
You know what? We had a great time in there, but
One day.
RVing,
That's another chapter in our life, way in the future.
Yeah.
Not now.
good to reminisce.
Yeah.
Time to hit the road. So we've absolutely enjoyed every minute, but now I keep seeing people with Dr. Pepper in their hand. And I have this overwhelming urge for Dr. Pepper.
Yes.
So you know where we're going. Right across the street, Dr. Pepper time. So quick orientation of downtown Waco at the silos. There's Maximus. And there's the Dr. Pepper Museum.
How convenient
How
is
convenient.
that? We had no idea.
No,
How cool.
they're like all within walking distance. Get here early, park, spend the day.
Yep.
I did notice the uprights here. I'm not thinking that that's
I wonder if
conducive to the sport here.
I'm assuming they close the road, the little side street, when they do have a game, because I wouldn't want my car parking right here.
I know, right? That's fun.
Leather jacket, boot shades, and an automobile. Like I saw you in a picture in a magazine. Sun is up, blazing out down on the boulevard. Look like a movie star, but you're not even trying hard. On the road, going nowhere with the top down. While the rest of us are stuck here in our small towns. I wanna know, I wanna know, I wanna know who you are. I wanna know, I wanna know, I wanna know who you are. Still raining now. The drops keep coming, drops keep coming. You lay it down. I can't stop falling, can't stop falling now.
So what's funny is, in the 1960s, the soda cans looked like a green bean can. Same lid and everything. That is fun.
This museum is fantastic. And the best part, once you get all the history, once you get all the education about Dr. Pepper bottling here in Waco, Texas, right behind us, you get a free beverage.
Yes, and I think you get to make one too. How cool.
Totally doing that.
That's awesome.
So the absolute best part about being here, visiting the Dr. Pepper Museum, touring all the exhibits, is right at the end,
You get a free Dr. Pepper,
free Dr. Pepper refreshment.
and they mix it fresh.
You know what? You can't get any fresher than at the Dr. Pepper factory.
There's so much to explore. I just had to look inside the silo, see what's in it. It's just storage. But you never know.